everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I've made several chutney recipes before, but today I'm going to share a very interesting and very tasty chutney recipe, and we're going to make it with radish. Well, it's something very new, right? So let's get started and check it out. To prepare radish chutney, heat 3 teaspoons of oil in a white pan. Once the oil is hot, add 2 finely chopped radish and saute them well. If you're someone who enjoys the flavors of radish, I've made a radish sambar recipe that you can enjoy. We'll give you the link in the description to check it out. Now keep the stove on high flame and saute the radishes for about 2 minutes. Once they soften, add 1 finely chopped onion and saute it along with the radish pieces. When the radish and the onion are well sauteed, add half a cup of grated coconut and mix everything well. Next, add a few fresh curry leaves and 2 to 3 small pieces of tamarind. The tamarind adds a subtle tanginess to the chutney, enhancing its flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt, add a pinch of turmeric powder, then mix everything thoroughly. This is such a simple recipe, so next time you make idlis or dosas, try this chutney instead of the coconut chutney. You won't regret it. Once everything is well cooked, turn off the stove and transfer the mixture to the plate to cool. Some people aren't fans of radish because of its distinct smell, but trust me, they love this chutney. Now in a small pan, heat 1 teaspoon of oil, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 8 dry red chillies. Saute them until they turn aromatic and golden. Adjust the spice level to suit your taste by increasing or decreasing the chilies. Once roasted, transfer them to a plate and let them cool. Grind the roasted coriander seeds, cumin seeds and chilies into a fine powder without adding water. Then add the sauteed radish, onion and coconut mixture to the same blender. Blend it into a slightly coarse chutney for a nice crunch. You can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water if needed. Transfer the chutney to a bowl. For tempering, heat a small pan, add a spoonful of oil, add mustard seeds, a pinch of cumin seeds, 2 broken dry chilies and a pinch of Asafoetida or Hing. Turn off the stove and add a few curry leaves. Pour this tempering over the chutney. This flavorful radish chutney, along with its high fiber and nutrient content, makes it a healthy addition to your meals. This chutney pairs perfectly well with dosas, idlis, chapatis or even rice. So today I'm serving this special radish chutney with nice hot steaming idlis, and I can't wait to taste it. Oh my god, it's so incredibly tasty. It's just loaded with flavors and it's perfect for idlis. So next time if you're thinking of making something different for your tiffins, definitely do try this radish chutney. I'm sure you're going to absolutely love this. Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.